Welcome to the video on Amazon Q Apps. This practical guide provides architecture diagrams, code examples, and best practices for building applications on the AWS AI platform. In this video, we will focus on Module 1, Advanced Q Apps and Sharing. The estimated duration is between 45 and 75 minutes, and the category is the AWS AI platform. This diagram illustrates the Amazon Bedrock request pipeline, showing the end-to-end flow. It starts with the application, moves through Bedrock Runtime and Guardrails to the foundation model, and concludes with the response and logs. This section covers advanced Q apps and sharing capabilities within the AWS AI platform. Advanced Q apps involve multi-card design, including input, query, and plugin cards. Sharing options range from personal access to organization-wide libraries and admin-curated apps. Data source integration includes Amazon S3, SharePoint, and Confluence. Governance and controls are essential. Administrators manage who can create and share Q apps, which respect existing Q business access controls and guardrails. Usage analytics provide insight into app popularity. The Amazon Bedrock architecture stack is built from the foundation upward. It layers AWS security, Bedrock runtime, features, agents, and finally, the application. Review these best practices for Amazon Q apps, such as using the Converse API and Bedrock knowledge bases. Also, be aware of common mistakes like using root credentials or ignoring Bedrock guardrails. The Converse API with streaming offers a production-ready pattern for the AWS AI platform. This code example demonstrates how to use the @converse_stream method for multi-turn chat and streaming responses. Key takeaways include prioritizing architecture, rigorous testing, measuring performance, and building in security and governance from day one. Remember the pipeline flow: application, Bedrock runtime, guardrails, and foundation model.